I love the convenience of using this pen at my desk, and it came with 10 pens and 10 refills. I love that the chain is quite durable. The pen is also lightweight, and the adhesive at the back really sticks well to my desk. I can use this at my desk. I can use it at the countertop. I can use it pretty much any surface at all, and the pen writes really well. Once I'm done using the pen, I can fill it up with a new refill. Filling it up is very convenient, very easy to do. All I do is put the refill and just secure it like that. This is black pen ink, and I love that it screws on really well, so nicely. Now, when I also got it, it came with this chain. This chain is secure and it's strong. It's not going to come off. I absolutely love this pen. I love that my pen will never get missing again.